I'm back with another product from TESMEN. This is the Smart Digital Multimeter, the TM-510. This little guy can read up to 600 volts, and it is auto sensing, so it will automatically sense whether you're on AC, DC, ohms, or continuity. It comes with this handy little carrying case also. So here I'm going to hook it up to a car battery and show you that it will automatically detect 12.45 volts. And here is the TESMEN 510 hooked to a 120 volt outlet. And like I said before, it will also detect continuity. I have one more feature I want to show you about this. This has a non-contact voltage tester on it. So click down here on this little orange shopping cart and pick one of these up.